All right, you're looking at the Acer AspireRevo. Very, very cool little net top. Awesome little box right here. It comes equipped with an Ion platform package inside. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a 9400 mobile chipset integrated into the motherboard. So you not only have the Atom processor, you also have dedicated graphics on the board. So technically it's not dedicated, it's actually on board, but it works just the same. It gives you the power to decode 2 Blu-ray files at the exact same time. That means that if you want to use this as a home theater PC, it's not going to have any problem giving you incredible video performance on high-def 1080p video files. As a matter of fact, it could actually play 2 of them at the same time. Now, if you were to get a little net top like this that had the Atom processor and try to play it with the integrated graphics normally without the Ion platform, you would have some really, really big problems. The video would look horrible, it would be chunky, it would artifact, it would look terrible. But with the Ion platform, you get this incredible amount of graphics performance. Now, besides having the Ion package, which is basically a 9400 mobile chipset built into the device, it's actually got a Atom 330. Now, you've probably heard of the Atom 270 or the N270. That's the single core 1.6 gigahertz Atom. The 330 is actually just about the same chip, except there's just 2 of them. It's a dual core. So you're actually getting a dual core 1.6 gigahertz Atom processor. Barely uses any electricity. It's actually very economical. I think it's somewhere between 6 and 10 watts of power that it pulls, which is absolutely nothing. Now, this particular model in question right here is actually, get this, it's the AR3610-U9022. So they have the Acer AspireRevo. There's a bunch of different configurations. That's this one right here. One more time, the AR3610-U9022. We'll put that in the side so you don't have to remember it. But basically, this one is going to come with slightly different settings. It's actually got some really good specifications. It's got a 160 gigabyte hard drive. You have 2 gigabytes of DDR2 memory, and you're using a 64-bit Windows 7 Home Premium operating system. So very, very nice all-around package. The dual-core Atom, the very large hard drive, a good amount of RAM, the great operating system, and of course the Ion platform, which is very, very nice. Now, give you a quick tour just so you can see. Starting off the back, normally I start in the front, but I want to show you the back because it's really important on this one because of the HDMI port that you have right there. Now, that HDMI port is connected to that Ion platform GPU. And that is going to give you the ability to stream not only 1080p video, but multiple channel HD audio through there as well. It's also important to note this Ethernet port right here, it is 10/100/1000 Ethernet. And that's important because you can stream HD files from a file server or from your network attached storage device to this and have no problems as far as bandwidth goes. You can even do it wirelessly because this thing does have an end-draft wireless built in as well. You also have 4 USB 2.0 ports up here at the top, and then down here at the bottom, you also have the traditional way of connecting this thing to a monitor, which is a VGA port, and right here's where you plug in your power. But there's still more. We're going to look at the top now. Here's the top of the unit. You have an additional USB 2.0 port, and you have a nice little emblem there for your Ion platform. Also, the start button or the power button is actually right here. So that's kind of cool to know that it is right there. Also on the front, there's a lot of good stuff going on the front. Basically, you have a multi-card reader right here. This is going to do your SD, your XD, your MMS, and all those good cards. You have 1/8" jacks for your headset and your microphones. And then finally, down here at the bottom, you have an eSATA, which is very, very cool because that's going to allow you to plug in an external hard drive and basically stream videos off of that external hard drive just as fast as if it was actually inside of this little computer. So very sweet little system. Look at that form factor. I mean, it's tiny. And basically, it's a computer in a tiny little box, and it actually comes with everything you need. I mean, if you have a TV or a monitor, you're good to go. You get a little mini keyboard, which is wireless and pretty light, pretty nice, and you get a wireless mouse. So these are really good. You can just leave these on your couch, plug this into your television, and you have a home theater PC system. You can watch Hulu, you can do all this great stuff. And if you want to hide the system, it also comes with this little great piece. This is a VESA bracket, or VESA bracket, and basically what this is going to let you do is mount this device to the back of your monitor or to the back of your TV. You're basically going to stick it on right there, and people won't even know that there's a computer hanging off the back of your monitor or your TV, and that way it's completely hidden. When you do something like that, basically all your ports are still available. It's going to be hanging off the back of the monitor, but all your ports are right there. You plug in the monitor, plug in your power, and it's kind of like a little ghetto iMac. It works very, very well, and you're going to have a nice little PC, and it's going to be a lot more affordable. So definitely a nice little setup, and I love the fact that they include this, this plate with this little Acer AspireRevo. So good stuff. I really like it. If you're in the market for a home theater PC, this is a very good candidate because it's got the big hard drive right off the bat. If you want to stream stuff from a server or from a network attached server from another computer in your room, you have N-Draft Wireless, which will let you do HD audio streaming. Same thing with the 10100 1000 gigabit Ethernet. And of course, you have the Ion platform, which is going to give you the ability to decode high-def video files no problem without taxing your CPU and making the rest of the computer completely unusable. Dual-core Atom, 2 gigs of RAM, Windows 7 Home Premium, 64-bit. Awesome little computer, and it's in such a small package you can't hate on it. Awesome computer. It's the Acer AspireRevo. If you have any questions on it, feel free to email me, and I'll see you guys next time. For more information on the Acer AspireRevo mini desktop PC, type in A180-0101 into any major search engine. For Computer TV, I'm Albert.
Yeah.